Hello, how you doing? I get lots and lots of messages about cooking fish. This is a really super simple method. You just need a pan, a skillet, or like a frying pan or something, some aromatics, some water, off we go, job done. Look at that, beautiful. Welcome back to How to Cook Great. So I've got a skillet here, or a frying pan or something like that, whatever you call that. And you can see what I've done in the bottom. I've put some lemon and I've put some oranges in there. Now you can just do this with any citrus you want. Sometimes I do this with grapefruit, it's really nice as well. What that does is going to add some lovely flavour and keep the fish that we're about to cook off the bottom of the pan. Let's get some aromatics in. So I'm going to go with a couple of pieces of star anise, and today I'm going to be using some ginger. Garlic's nice in here, dried chilies nice in here, some peppercorns, you know, something like that, up to you. We're now going to add some salt, some black pepper, then we're going to put our fish in. I've got a couple of these salmon fillets here, skins on. Let's place it on the top. There's my second one. I've got about a tablespoon of soy sauce. This is a light soy. There's dark and light basically. And then some water. Just going to get that in. So I've basically put in about 200 ml. We're going to get the heat on medium or just below medium. We're going to put a lid on that and just leave it, and it will cook that size. It's going to cook in about 8 to 9 minutes. Okay, off goes the heat. Let's get the lid off, get some steam out of there. Really, really beautiful, very, very easy. I'm going to take the fish out and I'm going to keep a little bit of that water to dress it up with. So just a few tablespoons of the water there. I've got a little bit of parsley here. Just going to get that round the edge. A few sesame seeds. A little bit of colour with some red chili. And then I like to put a little bit of sesame oil on it just to give it a little nuttiness. Just a little drizzle. And that's beautiful. Really, really simple, lovely, fantastic fish. I mean, that salmon works with most fish actually. Okay, hope you enjoyed that. Keep safe, keep well, see you soon, lots of love. Thanks a lot for getting to the end of the video. If you'd like to give me a thumbs up, that does help us out quite a lot with the algorithm and such like. Subscribe if you like, you'll get notified about what we're doing. There's a thanks button if you want to donate. See you soon.